In this video, I want to share with you an idea that's robbing you of your dreams. Literally, this one concept is taking your dreams to your grave every single day. Whether you like this concept or not, it does not matter. It's taking your dreams to your grave every single day. If you don't figure out a way to crush it every step of the way, it will ruin your life. Just like it has ruined millions and billions, not millions, but billions of lives. And it's probably one of the biggest reasons why 99% of the people never succeed in life. They always end up mediocre. So there's a really interesting research study. And this is how it goes. A group of people are offered three choices. Take $15 right now, take $30 3 months from now, and $60 a year from now. Now, what do most people do? Here is what most people do. Most people opt for $15 right now instead of taking $60 a year from now, which would be 400% return, or $30 in 3 months, which would be double the return. But most people just want $15 right now. Now, the only explanation of this behavior is that people tend to discount the value of rewards based on how far they're in the future. Think about it. Do you want that donut right now? Or would you rather have six-pack abs 12 months later down the line? This concept is hyperbolic discounting in action. The human inclination to choose immediate rewards that are available right now over much bigger rewards that come later in the future. And we choose these immediate rewards, smaller rewards, even though they're so much smaller compared to the bigger rewards in the future, we constantly choose the small rewards because we fall for hyperbolic discounting. Now, hyperbolic discounting, it's an evil idea. Let me ask you this, right? And we do this so many people, 99% of people out there are doing this all the time. Let's say your big goal is to make $1 million in 5 years. Now you can make a choice right now. You can work on your marketing campaign, you can work on your sales channel, or just for this moment, you can watch TV, play with social media, browse your phone. What do most people do? And what do you probably do? Watch TV, social media, news, phone, etc., etc. And you can probably see how this simple behavior has the potential to ruin your life, right? No matter what field of endeavor you choose, you think, oh, it's just this one time I'm going to check my phone, or this just one time I'm going to watch a little TV, or just this one time I'm going to play with social media, or eat that donut, or eat that pizza, or let me just have that. I'm not going to eat that salad today. I'm not going to eat that protein today. Today I just want to eat some greasy food. Or let me just be lazy today. Let me just chill today. Just this one time. Tomorrow I'll be okay. And that tomorrow never comes. We constantly fall for the trap of instant gratification. This one time, this idea that just this one time I'm going to do this, is a pattern you've been repeating all your life in different areas of your life. Now, the key is, every time you discount your big goal in the future, you're killing your dreams. You're killing your ambitions. Understand that hyperbolic discounting is the enemy of great success every single time. It will take your dreams to your graves if you don't put an end to it. Now, the good thing is I have figured out a way to make anyone immune to hyperbolic discounting. And the thing is, if you can do that, it will show you how to always do the right thing in service of your big goal, no matter what. Now, I'm going to teach you how to crush hyperbolic discounting in my free masterclass, which you can register at 2000books.com/time. In the masterclass, I'll teach you how to never be a victim of hyperbolic discounting, how to stop hyperbolic discounting from ruining your life, and how to stop hyperbolic discounting from taking your dreams to your graves. I will also teach you how to achieve your biggest goals, how to do always what's in alignment with your biggest long-term results, no matter how hard it might feel, and how to never fall for short-term gratification, how to always do the right thing, no matter how hard it might be, so that you can achieve your biggest goals. And not only that, how to achieve your biggest goals as fast as humanly possible, how to accelerate your goal achievement. I'm going to teach all of that in my free masterclass. Go to 2000books.com/time, register for the masterclass, because if you know that hyperbolic discounting is robbing you of your dreams, of your goals, of your vision, then you need this masterclass, because without it, you will forever be a victim of hyperbolic discounting. You will forever be wondering why you're not able to hit your big goals. You'll forever be wondering why other people are able to do what they want to do, or other people are able to do big things, but you're still struggling with small things. You will forever be wondering why you're playing small in life, because you still haven't figured out a way to dominate hyperbolic discounting. Because for as long as you're giving into instant gratification, for as long as you are a victim of hyperbolic discounting in different areas of life, you will not achieve your big goals. No matter what, you will not achieve your big goals. So if you're serious about your goals, head on over to 2000books.com/time and register for my free masterclass, because I will teach you how to crush hyperbolic discounting in that free masterclass. All right, guys, see you there. Bye-bye.